All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1.
Do you like texting?
Yeah, I do like texting, but not very much. I'm not very good in texting, or I think I just like phone calls more than texting.
Okay, I'm not good at texting.
Okay.
Good at. We don't
Okay.
say good in, we say good at.
Good at.
Good.
Okay.
Let's go on.
Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
Sorry, repeat.
Do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
I think I like receiving messages. As I said earlier, that I'm not very good at this type of messaging or communication. So to answer your question, I like receiving messages from my friends or from my family.
Okay, try to speak with authority.
Okay.
Like you're speaking like, oh, okay, all right. Not like this. Okay,
Okay.
speak with authority. If you don't like it, you should own it actually, right?
Okay.
Let's go on.
Have you ever received a confusing text message?
Not oftenly, but sometime.
Okay, when the question is, have you ever received? You cannot say not oftenly. And by the way, the word oftenly is not right. It should be often. So, have you ever received a confusing text message? You can answer anything.
Yeah.
Once, one of my friends sent me a message from China. It was all in Chinese language,
And
very
I
long
was very
message. And I
confused.
tried to look at the message several times and I couldn't understand. Then, thank goodness, I had Google Translator
Translator.
and I translated that message and it was nothing.
Nothing.
So, something like that, okay? Just create something which is appropriate, which carries some good information and good vocabulary. That will bring you good band score.
So, to answer your question,
Yeah.
once I got a message from my professor, and he was just suggesting me some new technique to perform an experiment. And seriously, at that time, I didn't pick the topic or didn't pick that technique. So I was very confused, but I just called him and he just
Okay,
helped
now
me
listen.
out.
What you're doing, you're narrating the whole incident. In
Okay.
speaking part 1, don't narrate the incident.
Okay.
Link your answer with confusing text message.
Okay.
That message was difficult for me to understand. I could not understand anything about that message. And finally, I had to call my professor.
Okay.
Something like that. Not the whole incident, but only that message and confusing message, right?
Okay.
All right, thank you.